Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check the battery health on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here just search GCPU. Now from here just download this app. Now as you can see, I have already installed this app on my smartphone. If you have not installed it yet, just tap on install. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, tap on the X icon. Now to check the battery health, just tap on battery. Now as you can see, from here you can check the battery health of your smartphone. Now as you can see, the battery health of our smartphone is good. And the charge level is 30%. And if you scroll down, you can also check the battery capacity of your smartphone. And this is how you can check the battery health on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.